Hey guys, Jenny here from Krazee Kraftz. I've had a few people ask me about the difference in the speed between the 5 RPM and the 15 RPM motors. They do all come in the white case unless you want to buy them out of the case separately, but I put the arm on just to show you more accurately how the speed is different. And you can see it's quite considerably different despite them going in different directions. So that you can tell how slow or fast the props might move. I'd suggest the 4 to 5 RPM ones for things that just rock, go slowly obviously, and the 15 to 18 RPM ones for things that you want to kind of dance or whatever you might like to call that. Anywho, there's the example. Hope that answers the questions. I'll see you next time.